Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows snipping tool shortcut not working problem. First method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager, select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is click Start, Settings, click System. Click Focus Assist, turn off Focus Assist. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy. Click Background Apps. Make sure turn on Snip and Sketch. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Select Snip and Sketch, click Advanced Options, click Reset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.